Sold on approval.
So I did get the Ram, and the reason to get this truck is because I keep towing big things with that little Jeep. And there is my Ram. I already see that I need a new driver fender, a door, maybe the hood. I don't know, I'll have to take it off and see. But wait a second, that's only half. Man, what is my other half of the truck? Welcome back to the channel, and as you guys saw, we do have a new build, and this build by far has the biggest damage out of all the ones that we did on the channel. So we gotta go find the rest of the truck. That's a 2017 Dodge Ram 2500 Laramie Mega Cab. So whatever you see over here, everything is gonna be completely different. Different wheels, different lift kit, even different color. And we're not gonna vinyl wrap it, we're gonna paint the whole truck. Somehow I gotta get this Dodge inside before it gets all wet. I'm gonna use the Jeep. I'm gonna use this wheel, it ties so it doesn't fall down and it destroy my bumpers. If you guys are watching me, let me know if I hit something. The tire didn't really work and I had to tie them together. We'll see, maybe better luck this time. Right, so the truck is finally inside. I gotta go home, eat, change, I'm all wet, and then after that I'll come back and start filming all around and show you guys how bad this thing is smashed. I'm gonna start from this corner and walk all around. On this side, just the fender. It might even be fixable. We'll see what we're gonna do with that. The door has a little chip over there. Easy fix. Everything else looks pretty good. The truck is lifted. It has decent wheels, but I don't like them. I'll sell them. The bed cover, I'm not even sure what you call that. It's a pretty nice one. It has all the carpet inside, the windows, the opens and close. Look at the bed liner, it's super clean. No damage on the bed. The biggest damage, yes, you guessed it right, it's over here. Look at that. Basically, this is bad and good. It's a lot better than I was expecting because I wasn't sure if the axle was damaged and I wasn't sure if the frame is damaged. And the axle is good. The impact was above the wheel, so it kind of wiped everything over there, but didn't hit the axle or the frame. And there is the front. We do need the radiators, bumper, hood, and a lot more. I'm just showing for now what I can see, but later when we take everything apart, we'll see a lot more. That's the interior in the front. I don't really want to get inside because there's glass everywhere. I'll start pulling everything apart little by little, that way I don't get caught. But look at the dashboard, for sure I'll need a new one. Same thing with the steering wheel. I'll probably go from the other side and film. Here's a sunroof, which is gonna make harder to find a mega cab with a sunroof. Not all of them has them. And there is the other side of the interior. Dashboard destroyed completely. Looks like it pushed really hard this way, but I don't see no damage except this little bit over there. That's nothing, it's gonna stay just like that. Center console destroyed. The top is good actually, only that box right there. The screen is good, it's a big screen right there. This might be good too, it just kind of popped up, but I don't see no damage into that. Airbag is good, there's actually no airbags deployed. The headliner is good. Right, so you know and I know that to put this truck together, we will need to go through like a million pieces, and all that is gonna cost the money and the time, because every little piece you need to have to run to the dealer or junkyard, and that's a waste. Now we came up with the idea to get one from the auction that is either flooded or burned or mechanical, excuse me, and something that's color match, and every part that we need we are gonna take from that one, and all the parts that we don't need we're actually gonna sell it, because there is some expensive parts that's gonna be leftovers, like engine, the transmission, the frame, doors, axles, all that, and all that is gonna cover for whatever we spend on this truck. That way we don't go way above the budget. I think the best option for us will be to get another truck from auction, and in the meantime I will actually start taking everything apart, because we don't know how long it's gonna take to get another truck. That way when that truck comes, this one is ready to go, and we just swap parts and take it off-road. And there is the truck with absolutely nothing inside. Look at that. So now we have two options. Either we get a mega cab from auction, still didn't get one yet, or we get a regular 4-door and cut just somewhere up to here. That's all depends what the frame guy is gonna say, because I see how he bent it all the way here. Which if you get a 4-door is gonna be a lot cheaper than mega cab, and we can cut this and weld the other piece together. But either way, it's gonna be fun. I called some friends and family to come and help me to take the bed and the cab off the truck. And the reason I have this many guys, because I didn't expect all of them are gonna show up, but they did, and that made it a lot easier and faster for all of us. Right guys, that's a wrap for today's video, and I do have some good news. We did actually get a parts truck from auction. That thing, it's pretty nice. I'll show you guys in the next video, so come back for that. Other than that, thank you guys for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Find us on Instagram. It's a Custom Auto Builds, and I'll catch you guys later.